Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the information. In the xy plane, line L passes through 0, 0 and is perpendicular to the line 3x positive y equals to c, where c is a constant. If the two lines intersect at the point k, k negative 4, what is the value of k? Okay, now let me consider the equation of line 3x positive y equals to c. Let me write it over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this equation in slope intercept form, which is y equals to mx positive b. So for that I subtract 3x from both sides. When I do so, I'm getting this 3x negative 3x will cancel out. I'm getting y equals to negative 3x positive c. So now it's in slope intercept form, that is y equals to mx positive b. So at the place of m, what do we have? We have negative 3. So that is the slope of the given line is negative 3. Okay, now let me write the equation of line L in slope intercept form. Let me write over here line L. So to write the equation of line L in slope intercept form, we have to use a formula that is y equals to mx positive b. So here y is equal to ms positive b means m is the slope of line L. Actually, the question says line L is perpendicular to this line 3x positive y equals to c. Okay, but I know the slope of this line 3x positive y equals to c, that is negative 3. So from the slope of this line, how do you have to get the slope of the line L, which is perpendicular to this one? So for that, what I have to do is, so if the slope of this line is negative, then the slope of line L, which is perpendicular to this one, has to be positive. So the slope of line has to be positive, and we have to get reciprocal for this number 3, then it will be 1/3. So the slope of line L is 1/3, and mx, it has to be multiplied by x, positive b. So this b is the y coordinate of the y-intercept. So the question says line L passes through 0, 0. So this 0, 0 is the y-intercept of line L. So at this y-intercept, the y coordinate is 0. So we can plug in 0 for this b over here. So when I do so, I'm getting y equals to 1/3 of x positive 0. So finally it is simplified to just y equals to 1/3 of x. Now I got the equation of line L. So let me write that equation over here, y equals to 1/3 of x. Okay, and also there is an information that two lines, I mean the line L and this line 3x positive y equals to c, both of them intersect at the point k, k negative 4. Okay, now let me draw the two lines over here. So I have drawn two lines over here, and so this is line y equals to 1/3 of x, and this is line y equals to negative 3x positive c, or the given line. Okay, so these two lines intersect at the point k, k negative 4. Since this k, k negative 4 is a point of intersection of the two lines, so this point lies on both the lines. On the line y equals to 1/3 of x, 1/3 times x, on the line y equals to negative 3x positive c. So since we have this point in a point of intersection on this line, so we can plug in this x coordinate k for the kx over here, and y coordinate k negative 4 for y over here. Okay, let me do it. So k negative 4 equals to 1/3 times k. Okay, now to get the denominator 3 over here, let me multiply both sides by 3. So 3 times k negative 4 equals to 3 times 1/3 k. So this 3 will cancel out. 3k negative 12 equals to k. Okay, now our aim is to find the value of k. So for that, let me subtract k from both sides. Then I'm getting positive k negative k will cancel. So 2k negative 12 equals to 0. Then I add 12 to both sides. When I do so, this negative 12 positive 12 will cancel. I'm getting 2k equals to 12. Now I divide both sides by 2. So this 2 will cancel. Then k equals to, when I divide 12 by 2, I'm getting 6. I got the value of k, that is k equals to 6. We find 6 in option B. The correct answer choice for this question is option B.